Hi, I'm Julia, a technical service representative at XLERATOR. XLERATOR manufactures hand dryers in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. We are proud to say we make the only hand dryer that is made in the USA certified. We have created a series of videos to help you maintain your XL hand dryer. This video will instruct you how to remove the cover from your XLERATOR hand dryer. Disconnect the power supply to the dryer, usually located in your electrical panel box. Tamper-resistant bolts are installed on the left and right sides of the hand dryer. Take the tamper-proof wrench. Note, the wrench comes with the hand dryer, but if you have misplaced your wrench, you can receive one by sending an email to orders@xldryer.com or calling 800-255-9235. Secure the wrench in the tamper-resistant bolt. Twist to the left to loosen. Keep one of your hands under the cover as you loosen both bolts so the cover does not fall. Remove both bolts and the cover will then come off. Be sure to save the bolts to secure the cover following your cleaning and/or service. For older dryers, you may find a green ground wire attached to the cover which needs to be removed. Thank you for your interest, and if this video still leaves you with questions, please call our customer service department at XLERATOR at 800-255-9235.